I didn't do it. The wind's doing it. It's not my
Yeah,
fault.
stop it.
It's the wind.
Josh.
Ready?
Okay.
No, it's the wind. They're all just going to go to the neighbors. It's the wind, Sam. See?
Ready?
Are we ready?
Whatever you
Ready?
want, release it for him.
1, 2, 3.
Let go.
No, let it go. I'll get you another one, Elliot.
Yeah, we can get another one, but we'll get your pink one.
Here. Here we go.
They're all over there. There's a lone one.
Nothing's a little late.
I don't think they're going in the neighbor's yard. So
Nope.
check that out. Look at them go.
Yeah, you're flying.
Oh, that blue one and that pink one, the rest one down there.
That is awesome.
Look at their name and address.